Good morning, students. Welcome my channel Bhuloks Mathematics. Last class I have already discussed about definite integrals. Today we discussing about a new type that is known as differential equation. There are different type of equation you have to learn in your 10th class, 11th class. Linear equations, quadratic equations, trigonometric equations. But today we discussing about a new type of equation that is called as a differential equation. What is differential equation? An equation which involves independent variable, dependent variable and differential coefficients with respect dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called as differential equation. Write down the definition. Definition: an equation which involves independent variable, dependent variable, differential coefficients, of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Is called differential equation. Okay. First of all, we know about the definition of differential equation. An equation which involves independent variable, dependent variable and differential coefficients of dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called as a differential equation. Now let us take example of differential equation. So dy by dx is equal to 5. This is one differential equation. Another is d square y dx square plus dy by dx is equal to 5. This is an example of differential equation. So write down example 3. dqy dx cube plus 3 d square y dx square plus dy dx is equal to sin x. Okay. Third one is dy dx whole square plus dy dx plus 5 is equal to 0. These are an example of differential equation. An equation which involves the derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. There are two types of variable. One is a dependent variable, another is an independent variable. Here y is a dependent variable, x is the independent variable. So this is called as a differential coefficients. So an equation which involves the derivatives dy dx, d square y ds square, dqy dx cube are called as a differential equation. An equation which involves the dependent variable, independent variable and differential coefficients of a dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called as differential equation. एगुड़ी को डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन कहती कारण एगुड़ी करे different derivative present अछि तमे एगुडी को we called as a differential equations. So now we have to discussing about what is the order of the differential equation, and then we have to discussing about the degree of differential equation. So write down order of the differential equation. Order of the differential equation. Order. Write down order. Order of differential equation. Order of differential equation. Order of differential equation is the order of highest derivative present in the equation. Present in the equation. Order of differential equation is the order of highest derivative present in the equation. What a differential equation रे maximum derivative को order of differential equation कहा जाए. Okay, order of differential equation is the order of highest derivative present in the equation. Next, write down degree. Degree. The degree of differential equation. The degree of differential equation is the degree of highest underline highest order derivative present in the equation. Okay, the degree of differential equation is the degree of highest order derivative present in the equation. Order of differential equation is the order of highest derivative present in the equation, whereas the degree of differential equation is the degree of highest order derivative present in the equation. But a differential equation ro highest order of जो power थिबो, that is called as the degree. Let us take one example. D square y dx square plus dy dx whole square is equal to 5. Find, question coming like this, find order and degree. Find order and degree. So here it is, highest derivative is 2. D square y ds square. Highest derivative is 2 here. So order is equal to 2. Order is equal to 2. Highest order upore जो power थिबो, that is called as a degree. This is not highest order. Here it is 2. Highest order upore जो power थिबो, that is called as a degree. So degree is equal to 1, but not 2. Here it is 2, but highest order upore जो power थिबो, that is called as a degree. So highest order is 2 here. So the degree of differential equation is 1. Okay. So this is one example of order and a degree. Then let us take another question. Question number 2. D square y dx square q plus dy dx to the power 4 is equal to sin x. Find order कहते हैं degree केते you see here highest order is 2, highest order is 2, so here it is 2, here it is 1, so highest order is 2, so order of the differential answer रखो order समान 2, highest order ऊपर जो power थी वो that is called as a degree, not 4, here it is highest order ऊपर जो power that is 3, so degree of the differential equation degree is equal to 3, degree is equal to 3, okay, degree of differential equation is 3 because highest order ऊपर जो power थी वो that is called as a degree. So write down one note, before finding out the degree and the order, first of all you have to remove the radicals. Write down NB. Before finding the order and degree of differential equation first of all remove the radicals if any, जदि किसी radicals थिबो ताले first of all you have to remove. Radicals means cube root, square root, fourth root, fifth root, these are called as radicals. So write down one example. dy dx is equal to d square y dx square plus 5. So first of all you have to remove the radicals, square root. Here it is square root. So first of all you have to remove the radicals. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So we get dy dx whole square is equal to d square y dx square plus 5. Okay, so it is free from radicals. So you can easily say that what is order and what is degree. So maximum derivative is 2 here. Maximum derivative is 2 here. So order is equal to 2. O means order. Order is equal to 2. Degree is equal to highest order ऊपर जो power थी वो that is called as a degree, but not 2. So order is equal to 1. Highest order ऊपर जो power थी वो that is called as a degree. So the degree of differential equation is 1 here. Okay. So let us take another example. dy dx plus 5 cube root is equal to dqy dx cube. This is one question. Find order, then degree. First find order and degree. Here it is cube root of this. So first of all you have to remove the radicals. So cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. प्रथमे cubing करियो on both sides. Cubing on both sides. So here we get dy dx plus 5 is equal to dqy dx cube to the power 3. Cubing on both sides. So now maximum derivative is 3. So order is equal to 3. So degree is equal to 3 because highest order ऊपर जो power अछि that is known as a degree. So degree of differential equation is 3. So order means maximum derivative is 3. So order is 3 here and degree of differential equation is also 3 here. So before finding the degree and order, first of all you have to remove the radicals. Means square root, cube roots, nth roots. You have to remove first. Then you have to find out the order and the degree easily. This is the number ones. So if the derivative, next point, point 2, if the derivative involved in a function, next NB2, if derivative involved in function cannot removed easily, at that time degree of differential equation, degree of differential equation cannot be defined. Remember, if the derivative involved in a function which cannot be removed easily, at that time degree cannot be defined. Degree setabale define kari habo nahi. One example, manekar sin d square y dx square is equal to 5. Okay, so d square y ds square in function. So this can be written as d square y dx square is equal to sin inverse 5. So the derivative removed from the function. So you can easily told the what is order, what is degree. Order is equal to 2 because maximum derivative is 2 and degree is equal to 1. Highest order upon the power achi, that is called as a degree. So here the functions is removed from the derivative is removed from the function. So the degree and the order can be defined easily. So write down one example. Sin y double dash is equal to e to the power y triple dash. Double dash means derivative 2 times. Y double dash means this. D square y dx square. This is the double derivative. Y triple dash means dqy dxq. This is the meaning of double dash and triple dash. So here it is derivative involved in a function. It is in function. So which cannot be removed easily. So degree cannot be defined. Write down degree cannot be defined. Degree cannot be defined. But order is equal to 3. Maximum derivative is 3. Order is 3, but degree cannot be defined. Derivative cannot be removed from the function because derivative cannot removed from function. Derivative टा function भितरु remove हेई पारु नाही. तेणु एठारे degree of differential equation टा not defined. So order of the differential equation must be a positive integer. Note, order of differential equation DE, differential equation is always positive integer. Order of differential equation is always a positive integers. So write down another question. Suppose question is like this. Ln dqy dx square dx cube is equal to 5. What is order? What is degree? So ln of this, ln of bakso is equal to 5 hele, bakso is equal to e to the power 5. Derivative involved in a function which can be removed easily. So dq y dx cube is equal to e to the power 5. So order is equal to 3 because maximum derivative is 3 here, and order means 3, degree means it is 1. Highest order 3, degree is 1. So order of the differential equation and degree of differential equation you can do like this. Okay, thank you to all for watching my videos. If you like my classes, please subscribe my channel, share my channel and like my